In this section, we will cover the annual overview and cumulative annual tabs. At the top, you'll find your annual income, annual expenses, average daily income and expenses, and your total net worth. Below, there's a chart that compares total income to total expenses on a month-by-month basis, along with a financial overview of your expenses and a comparison between your annual plan budget and what you actually spent. Next, you'll see a section that details your average needs, hobbies, savings, and liabilities throughout the year, broken down month by month. Adjacent to this is a month-by-month breakdown of your bills, expenses, debt, subscriptions, and savings. You'll also find an area that shows your bank account balances over the year, again with a month-by-month breakdown. Following these sections, you'll find a summary of your top 5 bills, expenses, debts, subscriptions, and savings for the year. The Cumulative Annual tab provides a detailed table breakdown of your income and expenses, as well as your bank account balances, needs, hobbies, and savings. This concludes our review of the Annual Overview and Cumulative Annual tabs. If you have any questions, please send us a message. Enjoy managing your finances.